Hi, I'm Avril from Toronto, Ontario. The Canadian Tire Tested for Life program sent me the Paderno Stovetop Kettle. I've put the Paderno Stovetop Kettle to the test by boiling some water to make my tea. It's here you can see it on my stovetop. It looks really lovely. Oh, with the nice red color goes well in my kitchen here. And some of the things I love about it are that you can tilt this handle right here to different angles, which really makes it easy to fill it up. Also, it just feels really sturdy. I find it to be a really nice, sturdy kettle that's beautiful and gets the job done of boiling my water, and that's exactly what you want from a kettle. So I would recommend the Paderno Stovetop Kettle to my family and friends. Thanks!